The Tata Technologies Limited's generous contribution to the Rotary Foundation of India, the CSR Fund, helped Rotary Club of Pune Far East, Rotary Club of Springdale, along with Rotary Club of Pune University and Rotary Club of Pune Central to carry out a water harvesting project, which was one of the best projects being conducted by Rotary with the company amongst many others. The CSR funds contributed by the Tata Technologies Limited were utilized to provide water pits for rainwater harvesting at 4 tribal villages: Pimpalgaon Lingi in Osmanabad district, Nagnathwadi in Satara district, Tambe and Ghatghar villages from Pune district of Maharashtra.
Many villages from Marathwada and North Maharashtra were drought-prone and had extreme scarcity of water, even for the day-to-day routines to be performed. The villagers had to face several problems, and the women of the villages had to walk for several miles to get scarce amount of water. Since then, the Rotary has been implementing projects for the benefit of communities living for such drought-prone areas of Marathwada and North Maharashtra for several years under Rotary's water sanitation and hygiene area of focus. On this basis, the villages were selected who had no rainwater storage capacity.
The main reason to conduct this project is to provide storing of water during monsoon, which can be used for drinking and farming throughout the year. It was also found that providing deeper storage facilities will increase water percolation and in raising the water table of wells and bore wells in the vicinity. About 500 acres of agricultural land in the area will benefit from the project. The work initially done at the Pimpalgaon Lingi village in the Osmanabad district was the Nala deepening and desilting work for approximate length of 2 kilometers, that is 4.5 meters by 2.75 meters. Total 3 nalas were desilted by excavating 15,916 cubic meters, which added the one-time storage of water to 1,59,16,000 litres and a percolation and storage of 23,87,40,000 litres. They also constructed new bandhara and repaired existing bandharas to store water.
In the village of Nagnathwadi in the Satara district, a total number of 13 bunds were constructed of approximate size 65 meters by 8 meters on existing water stream from the mountain to block the flowing water for better percolation. Total excavation work done was 48,200 cubic meters and capacity of water storage of 60 million litres being created. In the village of Ghatghar in the Pune district, the work done was excavating a huge amount of silt from the dam storage area, resulting an increased water storage capacity. The total excavation done here was 26,248 cubic meters and the water storage and percolation were 131 million litres. This initiative helped 7 different villages.
Almost more than 7,000 beneficiaries now have access to water for drinking, farming and sanitation in the areas of Ghatghar, Asoshi, Lovely, Talechiwadi, Ambeshet, Naneghat Washi and Anjanwale, giving approximately 80 million litres of water. Performing all these activities in these villages has helped them fight against the water crisis.
Similarly, in the Tambe village of Pune district, desilting work was done to increase water storage capacity. The total excavation of 21,100 cubic meter was done. A total of 11 bunds were constructed on the existing water stream to block the water flow for better percolation.
One another very important work done here was the training program conducted for the villagers with the help of Krishi Vigyan Kendra. The training broadly covered topics such as programs on self-employment like nursery management, post-harvest technology, vermiculture, high-tech polyhouse, also training on crop patterns. Conducting entrepreneurship-based programs like beekeeping, poultry and goat farming in Krishi Vigyan Kendra campus and in farmers' field by specialized scientists from Krishi Vigyan Kendra, training the farmers about soil health and water conservation methods.
Tata Technologies contributed $32,000 for the project under their CSR commitment, and the project value was enhanced to $96,415 with additional funding contribution from Rotary Club of Pune Far East, Rotary Club of Springdale, Rotary Club of Pune University, Rotary Club of Pune Central and the Rotary Foundation. With the immense dedication and hard work of all the Rotarians and the Tata Technologies Limited volunteers, all this work was completed before the expected timeline of July 2019. Rotary finds the involvement of local community most valuable. Here, the people from the village also played an important role by supporting the project, by providing the land for water pits and to make the project sustainable for long term. Local communities have cooperated right from designing of the project by participating in community assessment, giving insights to communities' needs, socio-cultural economical preferences to make the project sustainable in the long run and to imbibe the project as an inclusive part of development of community. Communities living in the project location will maintain the water harvesting pits in coordination with their respective village councils. Tata Technologies Limited and the Rotary Foundation, as great partners, played an important role in giving a better future and life to the drought-prone areas of Marathwada and North Maharashtra.